In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add closed captions to a Google Drive video. Whether you want to make your video content more accessible, or you're simply aiming to reach a wider audience, adding closed captions can be a valuable enhancement. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's go over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser, type in the URL for Google Drive, and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll be able to access all of your uploaded files and videos. If you haven't already uploaded the video you wish to caption, now is the time to do so. Simply click on the New button, select File Upload, and choose the video from your computer. Next, find the video in your drive that you want to add captions to, hover your mouse over the video and right-click it. This action will open up a menu with several options. It's important to know that right-clicking in Google Drive gives you quick access to a range of controls and settings related to the file, such as sharing or downloading, but for our purpose, we are looking for something specific. Once the menu came up, hover over the option labelled File Information. Don't click just yet, simply hovering will usually bring up further options. You're going to look for a choice that says Manage Caption Tracks. Clicking this will take you to a screen dedicated to everything related to captions for your video. The next step is to add your captions. Here, you'll want to click on the option that says Add New Caption Tracks. Google Drive's interface makes this process remarkably intuitive, so even if this is your first time, don't worry, just follow along and you'll have your captions up in no time. Now, once you've clicked Add New Caption Tracks, you'll be presented with an option to generate automatic captions. This is Google's way of making the process even more effortless by using its auto-captioning service to transcribe your video's audio. While automatic captions are a fast solution, remember they might not be perfectly accurate, so always review them for any errors once they're generated. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to add closed captions to your Google Drive videos. Making your videos accessible is not only considerate, but can also attract a broader audience. Remember, after your captions are generated, it's crucial to review and edit them for accuracy. You'll want them to be as precise as possible to ensure that everyone can fully enjoy and understand your content. Thank you for following along today, and happy captioning.